So in the last video, I showed you how to distinguish between the numerator and the denominator, and here are some examples that we'll use in rate problems. So, Oscar sells 4 apples and makes $5. How much money will he make if he sells 18 apples? What I like to do is create a know, don't know chart. So I have my know and don't know. And then as always, I have my numerator on top and denominator on the bottom. So I know for sure that he makes $5 when he sells 4 apples. If you divide 5 by 4, you get 1.25, so he's making $1.25 per apple sold. And over here, what I don't know. I do know how many apples we're looking for, 18 apples, but I don't know how much money that would get him. So I made this nice little table, and here's what you do. You find the value that you know, or you don't know, you're looking for x, and you go across. That will be your starting point. So you go down, and you multiply, and then you go across, and you divide. So 5 times 18 divided by 4. And that'll give you the answer for x. 5 times 18 divided by 4. Here's another example. Aaron sells 4 apples and makes $6. So we can see, as I predicted from my graph, her apples are selling at a much higher rate. Oscar sold 4, he got $5. Aaron sold 4, but she's making 6, so she must be charging more for them. So how many apples should she sell to make $20? A little bit of a different question, but same kind of concept. I first set up a know and don't know table. I know that the price is $6, and that's for 4 apples. So I could do 6 divided by 4, and you figure out, oh, she's making $1.50 per apple. Here's what I don't know. I don't know how many apples it takes for her to make $20. So her goal is to make $20, which we know up here. But we don't know how many apples that will take. So the same thing we did up here to find x. We look for the number we're looking for, and then we go across. That's our starting point. Then we go up. And we multiply. And we go across and divide. So 4 times 20 divided by 6. A little bit different than that one, but the same principle applies. And now give us x. So as I've always said, as long as you can know how to set up these tables and then use the different methods, you should be absolutely fine. We'll be looking at these over the next couple of weeks, so feel free to ask me any questions. I'm gladly willing to help. Have a great night.